Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder Successor flaunts a design that balances modernity and Porsche's racing heritage. The exterior features a lightweight carbon fiber body with sweeping lines and functional aerodynamics. Its sharp front end is adorned with matrix LED headlights and large air intakes, enhancing cooling for its hybrid powertrain. The rear design is dominated by an active rear wing, quad exhaust pipes, and a full-width light bar that gives it a futuristic look. The interior of this Porsche marvel is a mix of luxury and race-focused elements. Leather-trimmed bucket seats, a multifunctional steering wheel, and digital displays that provide real-time data key features. An advanced infotainment system with a touchscreen interface ensures the driver stays connected while on the go, though much of the car's technology centers on enhancing the driving experience. Including Porsche's intuitive drive mode selector and launch control.Powering, the 918 Spyder Successor is a hybrid system. Combining a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine with two electric motors, this setup produces a staggering 950 horsepower and 940 pounds-to-foot of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes a mere 2.5 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 217 miles per hour. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system, coupled with an adaptive suspension, ensures superior handling and cornering stability, making it a dominant force on the track.Key. Competitors to this hybrid beast include the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, McLaren Artura, and Lamborghini Sián. With a price tag expected to surpass $1 million, the Porsche 918 Spyder Successor caters to collectors and enthusiasts seeking the pinnacle of hybrid supercar performance, merging eco-conscious technology with unbridled speed.